How to recover your Microsoft Teams and Groups data via a backup snapshot. Your business-critical Exchange data is vulnerable to data loss due to malware, ransomware, human and system errors, and malicious deletion. In a recent study, it was found that 81% of companies surveyed lost Microsoft 365 data, and only 15% were able to recover it without a third-party backup service. In this video, we will show you how to restore your data quickly and seamlessly with Cloud Ally's backup, which reduces downtime and ensures business continuity. Cloud Ally Backup offers multiple recovery options, including point-in-time and using granular search with keywords. You can also recover across users and organizations. You do need an activated backup with Cloud Ally to be able to recover your data. Recovery via Backup Snapshot. If you choose to restore or export using the Snapshot option, enter the date range of the data that you would like to restore in the Data Changed From and To fields and press Continue. The list of backup snapshots within that date range is displayed by subservice, channels, metadata, calendars, and conversations. Select the one that you want to recover. Alternatively, you can click the magnifying glass in the Action column to drill down into the snapshot and view the structure of the backed up data. You can even look inside the folders to find the exact information you're looking for. Some types of data, such as conversations, enable you to click a blue arrow to see the actual contents if this setting has been configured. Once you select the snapshot, the Restore and Download buttons become available. How to restore your data. Click Restore, and you will see this confirmation screen asking you for the team or group to which you would like to restore the data. You can export the data to work with it locally or to import to a different domain. Select the team or group and click OK. The backup data that you selected will be restored to the location that you specified. When the recovery process is complete, a summary will be sent to your email. You can also check the Jobs page to see the progress of your restore task. In this Microsoft Teams and Groups video, you learned how to use the Snapshot tool to locate the exact backed up data you would like to recover and then to restore it. Click on the links after this video to learn more about exporting and itemized searching of Microsoft Teams and Groups data. Thanks for watching.